Hello, little ones. We are making cheddar biscuits today. They are yummy all by themselves or with tomato soup. If you have shredded cheese, that's best. Then it's a quick prepping process. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Put 3 tablespoons butter into a mixing bowl. Then put 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour in the bowl. One teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now start mixing all these together with a fork. Till the mixture looks like sand. Add 2/3 cup of buttermilk, and mix well. And then add 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Can be any kind. I added aged sharp cheddar today. And mix well the second time. Now I'll place parchment paper on the baking pan so that the biscuits come off easily after baking. Watch the next process very carefully. You will need 1 spoon and 1 fork to drop the balls onto the pan because the mixture is very sticky. Scoop a spoonful of mixture and gently slide it onto the pan with the help of a fork. You do not need to flatten the balls. They will spread as they bake. So do keep space between the balls. Ask an adult's help to place the pan in the oven. And set a timer for 20 minutes. As can adults help to take the pan out? And set it aside to cool for 10 minutes. Finally, they are ready to be served. Share and enjoy.